everyone, welcome to Budget Zero. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this magnetic phone holder for your car. These magnetic phone holders is hard to actually test how it's gonna work, so I'm just gonna buy it and immediately review how strong this magnetic, because there are like really cheap ones and there are really expensive, over $100. And this one is around medium, so I bought it at 79 ringgit and it's around 22 US dollars. So it's around a medium, because you can find it as cheap as $5 from a lot of online commerce, and you can go as high as 80 bucks from also a store. So it's really hard to test whether it's how good it is unless you try it yourself. So this particular model is from Korea. It is Momesh brand and it sticks to an air vent. So right now, let's open this up. So once you open it up, there's nothing much inside. There's nothing much. It's just this thing, and as well as some instructions, as well as this. So how it works is you need to stick this on your phone that you want to put it. So this thing, you can buy it a lot and it depends on the quality, and the more phones you stick this, the more phones that you can connect to this. So right now I'm just gonna stick it to this iPhone XR to check out how strong the magnetic is. So it's just this is the place you put your phone, and this is where you put on your aircon in your car. So right now I'm gonna put this magnetic thing onto this case. Not onto the case, I'll just put directly on the phone itself. So I'm gonna take out this case. So some of you guys might be wondering whether it's safe to put such a strong magnetic phone holder onto the phone. So after doing some research, they said it is safe, and it depends on the quality of your phone as well as your phone holder. So if you are afraid, you can buy a little bit more expensive, but this is seriously really strong for $20 product. So right now let's just put it here. Let's put on the case and then try it. This is my first time using a magnetic phone holder, so this is my first review. So as you can see, it's already covered. So right now, it should be able to stick. So you can actually stick it like this, and it's really, really very strong. Or you can go like this. It still won't move a bit. But if you put it near the edge, it will start to move. So make sure don't put it in the edge, right? It will move if you put it in the edge. Yeah, if you put it in the edge, it will actually move. So make sure just either horizontally like this, or like this. Yeah, I think it's pretty strong. So the phone still works. Yep, the phone still works. I don't think it damages the insides. So tomorrow we're gonna test this on the car and actually feel and experience how easy it is to do it. Hey guys, so right now we're in the car and we're gonna try installing this into the air vent. So I need two hands, so as you can see, you just need to insert it and then twist it. Right, so keep twisting it clockwise until it's tightened, so until it can't move. Alright, so here's the thing. And the thing about this is that your air vent must not keep You must make sure your air vent is steel, right, or not. It may potentially fall, but right now it's really strong and stable right now. So here's the phone, and the magnet is already at the back, and just stick it in. As you can see, it's quite hard. It won't move, even the car moves. When you pull it out, it's easy. So when you want, how about if you turn like this? Yeah, this thing might be a problem for some people, because the air vent is a little bit unstable, but nevertheless you can just stick it like that easily, and then you can see it. So overall it's pretty good. It's actually better than I expected for this price. Actually, you can get it for I think around $25 US. I'll leave the link in the description if I can find it, or not you can just check it out. Momash, it's just $25, and it's really better than I expected, seriously. See, it's really strong when the car moves, and then you can easily take it out, but I'm not really sure how long it can last though. So but overall, I think I'm really satisfied with this product to get it in that price range, and I'm sure you guys will find it really convenient as well. So you just put it in, take it out, put your GPS on. That's easy. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you guys like this video or find it helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. And then if you want to comment or ask anything about this, just put it in down there and I will try to comment as much as possible. And thank you very much for this, and see you guys next time on Budget Zero.